Okay, it is a bad day. It's raining. And actually, guys, I'm wearing shorts. You just can't see them when I'm sitting down. Mary just called me, and she can't get her garage door open. So I'm gonna go see if there's something I can do. But it is a nasty rainy day. So I'm wearing flats, but I still have my pantyhose on.
I'm glad I have that.
There, a kneeling pillow. Why do I want that, Mary?
Oh, to keep your knees from getting
Because
sore.
my pantyhose mean more to me than this door.
Oh.
Okay.
Don't you show that picture to anybody.
Here.
Oh, yeah.
Just hold it till I get this thing unjammed, and then that'll be enough footage for today.
Okay.
Hopefully this won't.
I'll tell ya.
This door is just starting to get annoying.
Yes. Well, when you fix it, I'm still not going to close it.
You have to, or we just have to get a new knob. It's really... Is it locked?
No.
No. I need some burglary tools to get back behind it.
Yeah.
I don't think it took me this long yesterday, did it?
Yeah, I did.
See, like right now, the door knob doesn't feel like it wants to turn all the way.
Oh, really?
This is very strange. Okay, we're at the hardware store to find a new doorknob. Okay, I need to run in here and get some flowers. Okay, I had to put a whole new doorknob and lock on Mary's door. So we went to the hardware store and picked up a new doorknob and deadbolt. That's all done. And today is my mom's birthday. So I'm here at the cemetery to put flowers on her grave and sit here and cry for a little while.